When you have a membership site, you want to appeal to the highest number of potential customers by offering more than one checkout option. Many times, people think that they're stuck to one payment gateway, whether that's Stripe or just PayPal, maybe just a manual gateway. With our Add PayPal Express option at Checkout add-on, you can offer Stripe and PayPal. This add-on allows you to include PayPal Express as a checkout option for your members, which can help increase your conversions. Hi, I'm Sam Darty. Today, we're going to talk about the Add PayPal Express option at Checkout add-on for Paid Memberships Pro. To start, I'm on my Coding with Sam demo site. I'm going to go to Membership Settings, and then I'll go to Payments. Here, I have Stripe as my main payment gateway, and in the payment gateway settings, I have Stripe enabled and I have it configured. But now I want to add PayPal, and I want to be able to offer both Stripe and PayPal for my potential customers. The way I'm going to do this is I do have an active license key. The Add PayPal Express is a standard add-on, so you do need at least the standard membership plan, or you can get this off of GitHub. I have an active license on my site, so if I go to add-ons and Add PayPal Express is right there, I don't even need to search for it. I will install and activate PayPal Express. Now that it's activated, we need to go back to our settings and configure our PayPal. So we'll go to Settings, Payments. We'll change the payment gateway for now to PayPal Express. I'm going to keep this in sandbox and testing for my demo site itself because I do not have live credentials for PayPal, but you may want to set this to live. And then here I will go ahead and I will edit settings. From here, you will need to fill out the gateway account email, API username, API password, API signature, and then if you want them to require an extra confirmation after users return from PayPal or skip the extra confirmation. Depending on your setup, we do recommend in some scenarios to skip the extra confirmation. We have more information about that in our documentation, and I'll link that below. When you have all of this filled out, you will hit Save Settings. And then when you return to your payment settings, you will want to go back and change the payment gateway, the main payment gateway, back to Stripe. Now that both payment gateways are enabled and the settings are configured, I'll show you what this looks like at checkout. I'll navigate to the front end of my site, Membership Levels. I'll select the membership level to go to my checkout page. And when I scroll down, I now have a box that says Choose Your Payment Method. I can check out with a credit card. That would be with Stripe. That's my main payment gateway, which is auto-selected. Or I can say check out with PayPal. If I check out with PayPal, I now get a Checkout with PayPal button that will direct me to PayPal offsite. That is how you can enable both Stripe and PayPal to increase your membership conversions. We also have a blog post on and many more ways on how you can increase your conversions and why it's so important for your membership. I'll put a link in the description below as well as our documentation.